All right, so let's make this spreadsheet. Now, I haven't done much so far, and it's definitely not pretty, but we have curriculum area. So this is where I'm going to go through and fill in all of those curriculum topics. We have confidence, which is going to be a 1 out of 5. Then we're going to have a tick box for have I learned it? Have I revised it? Have I revised it again? What's my confidence like? Take a test, and then I might do some more revise, because there are lots of things that we need to take into consideration, such as the forgetful curve and yada, yada, yada. So just because I've learned it once doesn't mean I'm going to remember it forever. And especially as I get older, my brain is not as effective like it once was when I was a teenager. So here we go. Let's begin filling this in. So you might be wondering, why am I making a spreadsheet? Well, it's actually a 4-pronged approach. First, it gives us direction, it gives us motivation, it gives us a goal, and it allows us to track our progress. Now, often enough, when we embark on a learning journey or we're trying to learn something new, it's sometimes hard to know what you need to learn. Like they say, you don't know what you don't know. And so by having it in front of us, it makes it clear what our next objective is. It can also help motivate us by showing us the whole journey. So, we can look at our confidence numbers before or after and determine whether we're doing better or worse than expected. And obviously it's going to be better because we're going to start off with a 0. So even a 1 is motivating. So that can help us keep going and tackle on the next day, the next topic, without getting too demotivated. It can also provide us with an end goal. So by putting out all of the topic areas, which I'm doing right now in this spreadsheet, I can say, okay, I've got this to do, and then I'm finished. And then I have learned everything and I can go back and revise. And that's what's really important about having a goal, is those boundaries and expectations around success. And then finally, it allows us to track our progress, I should say. Now, that is really important because we as human beings have a tendency to either be quite negative about our own performance, or we have short memories. We forget how well we did in something, whether for the benefit or for the worst. We have a tendency to misremember the truth. So if we've got it down in physical data, we can't trick anyone, we can't fool ourselves. We know exactly what we're doing and how well we've done in it. And it will allow us to go back to certain areas that perhaps we found difficult in the past. So that is why I made a spreadsheet, and I'm going to stick to it.